Presenting the Godrej single-door direct cool refrigerator that offers modern aesthetics with great functionality. Available in spacious capacities, energy-efficient ratings and aesthetic designs. Godrej refrigerators are equipped with an intelligent inverter technology that gives greater efficiency, durability and a silent operation. The functionality of this refrigerator will impress you as it can provide the same cooling even in a voltage as low as 140 volts. The unit features inbuilt air vents for strong and direct cooling airflow that helps keep your food chilled and fresh. The spacious refrigerator can store your vegetables and fruits as well as your favorite soft drinks and chilled water. The unit features adjustable and durable toughened glass shelves that can withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans. Don't worry about germs or bacteria from contaminating your food as this unit is equipped with an antimicrobial resistance in the door gasket that keeps germs away. It is also removable and washable for better hygiene. Available with a 1-year warranty on the product and 10-year warranty on the compressor.